Dang, Shield's garbage.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. So are these for your own collection?
It's tape.
Oh,
It's tape. Now I'll upload them.
From on YouTube?
Yeah, just for tape purposes. Or just because I don't think anyone else is recording videos from this tournament.
Yeah.
Well, there's a capture card on the live stream TV. I don't know if there's going to be recordings on that.
Well, I thought we had it.
Is that going to be a... No. So, Pat, how'd you do?
But that shit was
Wait,
funny.
you played the same person twice.
Yes.
And you lost both times?
Yeah.
So did...
Luigi?
Yeah. Did he 2-0 you this time?
No.
It was one
Yeah, he did
2 and 1?
Yeah,
Did you counter pick Rainbow Cruise?
Yeah.
And you won?
Yeah.
He was Luigi?
Yeah.
Oh my
Both
god.
times.
That's why,
He
yeah.
never banned Rainbow Cruise.
What did he ban? What did he keep banning?
Final D.
Okay, so I played Stacy in the second match, and
He's pretty good.
yeah, first match. Right when we start, Diana crawls on top of me and says, "Give me a cigarette. Where's the lighter?" And so I die in I lose 2 stock in 3 seconds.
Wow.
Kick her in the curb.
That sucks.
Yeah.
That sucks right there.
I ended the match respectable. Second match I beat him. Third match, double
apparently that's what I
J.
get for trying to laugh at you, bitch.
So, who's still in? I'm out. You're out.
I think everybody's
Out. Well, Cameron's the only one still in.
That'd be fun if he died right
From
there.
Fort Worth.
No, he's not.
Fort Worth is done.
There we go.
Goodbye, Fort Worth.